Welcome to Energetic Little Stars 143 channel. English subject 3rd class SA1 revision punctuations. Explanation by Chitithalli. What is a punctuation? First you need to explain that. So by reading the sentence, you need to what are the mistakes? What are the mistakes like small letter, capital letter, question mark, exclamatory, full stop, these kind of comma and or. So these will call it as a punctuations. So by reading the sentence, Chitithalli will correct the sentences as per punctuations. Okay, start.
I like to play soccer. Soccer. Printing. We can go to the zoo. We can go to the zoo. It is a question, so question mark. Question mark. My favorite color. My favorite color is blue. My should be capital. My should be capital. M. Blue. After that, full stop. Wow, the cake looks delicious. Wow. W should be capital. After that, exclamatory mark. The cake looks delicious. After that, exclamatory mark.
Wait. I will ask the questions. You tell me. First question. I like to play. What is that? Sir. Soccer. Where is K? Okay. I means here they mentioned starting I, small I. But whenever you will start the sentence, the first letter should be capital. So I like to play soccer. We can go to the zoo. We can go to the zoo. She missed K, right?
No, Mom. Here, see now.
Yes.
But see what?
By seeing you cannot write properly.
That was C-C-E-R.
The second sentence, they written W is small, then we need to write capital letter. Then we can go to the zoo. Yes. So it will be a question mark. We are telling yes. Answer will be yes, right? So that will be the question mark.
Mom,
Yeah.
last one correct or late?
I will check. My favorite color is blue. Again they written starting letter will be small. So it should be a capital letter. Then normal sentence only. My favorite color is blue. So full stop. Wow, that cake looks delicious. The cake looks like delicious. That means what is that? Declarative, right?
Declarative.
Yeah, that mark itself declarative. So starting again, capital letter you need to
Mom,
write.
it's declarative will come.
Okay, the fifth one. I have a red backpack. So again they given small letter I. So we need to write capital letter. Then I have a red backpack. So full stop. This is not like question. I have నా దగ్గర బ్యాక్ ప్యాక్ ఉంది రెడ్ కలర్ది అంటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఫుల్ స్టాప్. ప్లీజ్ క్లోజ్ ద డోర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ రిక్వెస్ట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ రిక్వెస్ట్. ప్లీజ్ P will be capital, then full stop. Okay. Bye.